So I live up in the north, north of the U.S., up in Minnesota, and it's a bit snowy and kind of not the best weather outside. So I wanted to see a bit of the forest, and then I saw Devin over at Make Anything found a way of making some trees or alien plants or something. Let's see how they turned out and what I did with them. I'm Ron, and this is my place. So I got to work on the mk3 and I wanted to get some prints out because I've been kind of buried on my CR10 for a little while, and I just wanted to get some fun time and figured I was going to go to my go-to printer that does everything really well and get some prints out, because honestly at the time I was really hurting for videos because I've been so absorbed into my CR10 and ironically my woodworking shop, because yes, in case all the other hobbies aren't enough, I also do woodworking. And somehow or another I ended up in my shop cleaning it all up. Haven't been in there for actually years, a couple years, seriously, and really enjoying it. But it all eats up way too much time. Yeah, I know it's a surprise. YouTube videos don't just poof happen. So anywho, I tried to print, and I honestly thought it was going to be a quick down and dirty because I saw some really cool prints by Devin over at Make Anything. And I printed one, and it knocked over and failed. So I printed another one, which knocked over and failed. Almost created a giant blob on the hot end, but I caught it in time. And then I printed another, and it knocked over and failed. I don't know what it is. This is normal size. I did not scale anything, so maybe that's the problem. But for whatever reason, I cannot for the life of me get these stupid things to print. This one almost did. As you can see, these two got almost to the exact same height, and then one of these things is just floppy and it catches and yanks it off. This one here, I think one of them, even the last one I tried, I put supports on it. I mean, it looked like a ball of plastic and it still knocked over. I was so frustrated, which is hilarious because I thought it was going to be a quick, simple, easy print. Meanwhile, while this disaster was happening over and over again, I printed this on the CR10 actually, and it actually turned out really well. There's a little bit of like coasting issues, but as you can see, and this was after I upgraded the extruder and whatnot, but that turned out really good, no issues at all. Great first layer. Yeah, beautiful. Not so much these. I don't know. I really have no idea what it is. But it is kind of a cool model the way he made it, because it's like a little vase, and these just plugs really well in it. And it's going to look really cool as a partially extruded, damaged thing. Maybe there we go. See, now I've got interest. This is intrigue now. So that's our new creation. It can be, if I can find the dang camera. Yeah, there it is. That's the new channel mascot. That's what it's going to be right there. So, like everything that works really wonderfully, we'll put it... No! That was the puzzle. I said I would never touch again. It's going to stay there. disaster strikes. Oh well. Life goes on. It can stay there. They're a nice safe spot for those bullets to go. Well, there you go. I tried to print it. It didn't work so hot. It wasn't because the printer did anything wrong. It just simply kept knocking it over. Whatever. It is what it is. It's neat print. I think it looks even better the way it is. So that's all I got. Again, this was actually the vase was printed on the CR10 in hatchbox black PLA. Standard PLA temps, I think 210 is what it on the nozzle. 50 degrees as always on the bed. On the CR10, I printed the blue was actually Repkord Blue PLA 210 again, I believe 60 degrees on the Mark III bed. And it printed fine. I mean, I really had no problems with it. It just kept knocking over, and I don't know if it was just warpy, soft plastic. Maybe the cooling wasn't quite good enough. I don't really know. After the third try, I kind of lost interest and moved into other things. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to put that stupid puzzle back together. Have a great night and print everything you can.